Kaito.
Can you show me the letters?
K-T-O-Y-O-E-L-E.
That's amazing. Karen, how old are you?
2.
2?
Yeah.
2 and 5 months. Almost 2 and a half. Wow. And you can read El Coyote. And did you have a taco at El Coyote?
Yeah.
What are you looking for? Oh. Orange Crocs.
Cowboy and
Who's that? Let's see.
cowboy.
Cowboy. Is that Woody?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whisker.
Oh, the car.
Duck.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. And take it off.
Is it glued on? Yeah, I think it's glued on.
And take it off.
You want to take it off?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Let me see if I can do it.